everyone, I'm Shaira Tawong from Placefield, Davao. I'm going to introduce you the vacuum cleaner and how to properly demonstrate it. So first, this is the plug, the handle, the body motor, the gas plug, the wheels, the flexible hose, the extension pipe, the floor and carpet direction. So before using the vacuum cleaner, you have to check the 3 reminders. First, check the plug if it has no damage and if it's 110 or 220 voltage. So, then second, check the voltage if it's 110 to 220. And lastly, check the machine if it has no damage. When you're done checking, plug in the cord and turn on the power button. Do it thoroughly from top to bottom. When finished, remove the dust in the dust bag and wash it with detergent in the running water and hang it. Then, clean the vacuum with a damp cloth followed by a dry cloth and put it in a proper place. Thank you.